Yeah, morning all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not, right? So in the last class, I was discussing about data types, right? Data types and variables. Okay, I'm going to discuss four cases, right? On this, I'm going to discuss four cases. Case one, defining a variable, right? Whenever I define x equal to 10, an object is going to get created with value 10 with some address. The address given to x. X equal to 10, an object is created, that address is given to x, right? So here, what x is storing, don't say x is storing the 10, x stores the address. X stores what? The address. Prints the content at that address. Print x means what? It goes to this address and prints whatever content at that address. It goes to print x, it goes to this address and prints the content at that address. If you want to print the address where exactly it is, prints the address 103070. Type of x. Type of x means the data type of x. Print x prints the content at that address. ID of x prints the address, right? Type of x prints the data type of x. What type? Int type. Next is case two. Now try to answer it. From here onwards, I want the sessions to be interactive. Try to say in case two, x value is 10, y is 20. X is 10, y is 20. 10 x equal to 10 means one object gets created with some address. The address is given to x. Y equal to 20, one more object gets created with some address. So yes, try to answer it. Print x means what is the x value it prints? Print x. Everyone, try to respond. You can unmute yourself and try to give a response through voice. Yes. Print x means what is the x value? 10.
Actually, 10.
ID of X 103.
It will print the address of the.
Yes, address, right? Type of X means what type?
It prints the data type of that particular value.
Print Y
20.
20. Print address of Y
It will print the address like
104090.
So what is the ID, sir? Is it a memory address like in pointer we use in C?
Yes, memory address, where exactly it is to. Yes.
Okay, thanks.
So printing the content, printing the address, printing the data type, right? So in Python, we have what type function to print the type, ID function to print the address. So two different variables X and Y with two different values 10 and 20. Then two different objects gets created with two different addresses. Two different variables with two different values, two different objects with two different addresses. No. Now observe this. Case 3. X equal to 10, Y equal to 10. For this, how many objects are created here? Yes, everyone try to answer. How many objects will be created? X and Y. Values with 10 and 10. How many objects?
it will create one object.
For X equal to 10, one object with value 10 will be created. So only one object will be created. Only one object. Yes. X equal to 10, Y equal to 10. Only one object. Okay. It is going to have some address. The address is given to X. For Y equal to 10, don't think one more object will be created. Before creating object for this, it checks any object with value 10 is already available. If already available, the same address will be given to Y. If X is 10, Y is 10, Z is 10, don't think three objects with value 10 will be created. Only one object will be created. And this address is given to X, Y, and Z. Only one object, its address is given to X. Okay. Print X, print Y, and print Z. They are going to print the same content at 10. So X, Y, Z, they are pointing to the same content and same address, right? The address is also same. Address of X, address of Y, address of Z. The same address, right? Type of X, type of Y, type of Z into type. Yes. Case 4. So what is your observation? If the values are same, only one object. If the values are different, multiple objects.
Sir, this even if we create X and Y at different point in time, still it will create the same object, is it?
See, if the values are same, 10, 10, only one object. But if X is 10, Y is 20, Z is 30. Three different objects, three different addresses.
Okay, and later if we change the value of y to 20, it will create different object.
New object will be created. Yes.
Okay, fine.
That is case 3, case 4. Now observe this case 4. Now, as you said, first X value was 10. Later I changed the X value to 20. X value 10 means one object created with value 10 with some address. The address given to X. Whenever X value is modified to 20, a new object 20 will be created with some new address. But don't think it will go to this and modify this 10 to 20. No. A new object with new address will be created and the previous one gets removed. Because X can store only one address. X can point to only one object.
Sir, can you please repeat this, sir? I think I'm not able to follow.
See, X is 10. Initially, X value was 10. So, for example, your salary last year is 50,000. Your salary this year is, okay, 80,000. Print a salary, what it prints?
80,000.
Latest salary, right? Here also X value was 10 previously. Now X value is 20. Now print X means what is X value it prints?
20.
20. What happens to the previous one? It gets removed.
Okay.
The object will be removed. Yes. So say print ID of X to always prints that address of this 104080, right? Okay. Understood, right? All these 4 cases. Any queries in these 4 cases? Yes. No.
No, sir. No queries.
No. Data types. 2 types. Data types are of 2 types. Fundamental data types. Collection data types. Fundamental data types means object holding single value. Object holding single value. X equal to 10. One object is created with value 10 with some address. The address given to X. Yes. X equal to 10 means one object is created with value 10, some address. Means object holding single value. Here object holding single value. Collection data types means object holding group of values or multiple values. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. X equal 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? One object is created. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50 with same address. The address is given to X. So here object holding multiple values or group of values, right? Object holding multiple values. Object holding multiple values, right? Object holding multiple values, object holding single value. Now observe these fundamental data types. Python shell will be open, file, new file. Fundamental data types. If I'm keeping something in hash, if we are starting with hash means it's a comment, not executable. 5 types, fundamental data types, 5 types. First, like int, float, boolean, string, complex. Int, float, boolean, string, and complex. Int. Age 25. Float, right? Yes. Example. Height. Boolean, which returns either true or false. True or false, right? T should be in uppercase, false F should be in uppercase. Python is case sensitive. Lowercase, uppercases are taken differently, right? Yes. And string, somewhere, sequence collection of characters. Sequence collection of characters, right? Yes. Complex. X plus IY, X plus IY, or A plus IB. Age 25, height 6.3, boolean either true or false, city, Hyderabad, X plus IY or A plus IB, right? So 5 types fundamental. Now collection types. Collection data types, right? 4 types. Int. Second, like, sorry, list, tuple, set, dictionary. List, tuple, set, dictionary. Yes. So Python provides simple syntaxes, right, for this collection data types, right? Collection of values. So for square bracket tuple by using normal braces. Set curly braces, right? Set is for curly braces. And dictionary like key and value, right? Yes. Dictionary like key and value. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. By seeing the braces only, you should identify it's what type of collection, right? Yes. Next. Fundamental data type. Next, string. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. Yes. In Python, a string is represented. In Python, a string is represented, right? Is represented. In Python, a string is represented using in Python, a string is represented using right single quote, using double quote, and using triple quote. A string is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Yes. For single line string, go for single quote or double quote. For multiple lines of string, go for triple quote. Yes, go for triple quote, right? Yes. Each character of a string, each character of a string, each character of a string is represented and accessed unique index. Each character of a string is represented and accessed by unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Positive index or forward index, right? Starts from left to right. Index starts with positive index or forward index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index. Positive index or forward index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1, right? Positive index or forward start from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Yes, now check this, right? So single line comment starts with hash symbol. Multi-line comment starts with a triple quote and with triple quote, right? Yes. X equal to Python. X equal to Python, right? Yes. Internally, Python. Python, right? Yes. One zero three zero seven zero. The address is given to X. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. This is what? Backward index or negative index. Forward index or positive, backward index or negative. So what is the value? X is your string. X of 3 value is what? X of 3. What is the character? H, right? What is X of -3? That is also H, right?
H.
X of 3 is H. X of -3 also H. Yes. X equal to Python, Python. Print X means prints the entire string. Print type of X. Type of X is what type? String. str. Type of X is what type? str type. ID of X, right? Yes. Type of X, ID of X. Print X, type of X, address of X. Y equal to programming. Print X plus Y means concatenation. This we call like concatenation. I'm writing a comment. Nothing but adding. Concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings.
Sir, what is
First
that print ID of X, sir?
address. It is going to print the address where exactly it is stored in the memory. Adding the two strings. First string followed by second string.
Sir, the string you mentioned three types we can provide: single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes.
Yes, triple.
Is all three represent same?
See, triple quote when you go means like multiple lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, or 10 lines. Multiple lines, you go for triple quote. Single quote or double quote, like a single word or single line, you go use.
Okay. So if you use a space between the string, can we use a double quotes or triple quotes? Same line.
Yes.
Same line.
No. So x plus 5 concatenation, adding first string followed by 7. Python plus programming, Python programming. X plus space plus y. Python programming, yes. Adding 3 strings, x is 1 string, y is between those two, 1 blank string, right? File, new file. Next, we have got some string methods. We don't need to write huge codings in Python. We have got string methods, right? String methods. First, like upper. To print in uppercase. X equal to x dot upper x dot lower. Okay. Prints Hyderabad in uppercase, Mumbai in lower. I'm sorry, this outputs. Printing Hyderabad in upper, Mumbai in lowercase. It was in upper, converts to lower. I want only the first character I in the upper, remaining all in the lower cases. I want the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Print x dot capitalize. It capitalizes only the first character I, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character I in the uppercase. For capitalizing the first character of a string. India, only the first character in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Next, we have got title, T-I-T-L-E, right? Yes. For example, x equal to how many words are there in this? 3 words. Each and every word, first character in uppercase, first character in uppercase. Print, I want x dot title. Means every word first character in uppercase. 3 words are there in that each and every word first character. G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H in uppercase, right? Yes. For example, where this is useful, EMPS implies like Rahul, Ajay, Miller, James. So in this way, we got some names, many names, 100 names, right? Every employee name, first character in uppercase. Print EMPS dot title. That's it. Every employee name, first character in uppercase. Rahul or in uppercase, Ajay, Miller, James, Amar, Ajit. For capitalizing the first character of each word. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. Rahul or in everything, every employee name, first character in the uppercase. Check this. Rahul or in uppercase, Ajay, Miller, James, Amar, Ajit. Next, we have got a method called replace. Replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. I'm saying like Java is easy. Java is easy. Print x dot replace. Replace Java with Python. We will get what? Python is easy. Replace the word Java with Python. Okay. So in this way, not only this, we have got many methods, right? Upper to print in uppercase, lower in lowercase, capitalize only the first character in uppercase, title each and every word first character in uppercase, and each and every employee name first character. Replace Java with Python. So Python is easy, you get. So in this way, we have got many other methods, right? Not only like title replace, like swap case, strip method, find method, format method, join method, starts with, ends with. Many more methods are there that we'll discuss in the next class, right? String methods. So as I said, for the next class, the link is going to change, right? So just everyone get enrolled for getting the new link to your mail IDs. Yes, you can just check this course content. And this, if you see in the chart panel, the payment process and the procedure. If you want only Python, it's 5,000. If you want full stack web development, total Python code, the Python package, like Python along with the Django framework plus HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, all this, the fee structure is 10,000. And here you can see the contact details of the online team. You can just go through, and once you do the payment, don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to the DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com, right? Yes, demo videos, previous demo videos, and the full stack course content and Python course content links are given. You can copy and check it, right? Yes. Okay. So
Do we have a classes on Monday, Tuesday, because of festival days? Just want to check.
so Tuesday we doesn't have a Tuesday. There is, because of festival, there is no class, but Monday we'll have for 1 hour, right? Same time at 8 o'clock. But Tuesday there is no class. Monday there will be a class. So Monday the link will be changing. Yes. Just
you said, sir, you said the Monday onwards it will be 7 o'clock.
no. Monday, okay, only that day you will be having at 8 o'clock. Monday that day only it will be at, okay, Monday, 1 second. Monday, okay, ASS. Monday we'll have the class. 1 second, let me check. 1 second, let me check. Yes, Monday we'll have the class at 7 a.m. only, practice. Monday the class will be from Monday onwards, the class will be at 7 a.m. only. Monday you will get a new link, right? Monday you will be getting a new link. Tuesday there won't be a class because of festival. Monday they will have for 1 hour, 7 to 8 we'll have a class. And Monday the link will be changing. So try to get enrolled for getting the new link to your mail ID. Fine. Any other queries, right? Yes. 7 o'clock only. We'll have the class at 7. From Monday onwards, the class will be at 7 o'clock. 7 to 8.
Sir, if we combine the 7 o'clock batch, they would have found other topic also, right, sir? How do we manage it?
What is it?
If we combine the 7 a.m. batch, 7 a.m. batch would have covered a lot more topic.
No. I have given break for them.
Oh, okay.
I have given break for them, right?
Okay.
Fine. Okay, so any other queries, right? Okay, so I'm stopping for now. We'll continue on Monday at 7 o'clock, right? Yes. Right.